Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to take profit from Tonkeeper Wallet. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can simply come to your Tonkeeper Wallet, and then you just have to select that particular wallet in which you have your Ton coin or USDT available, and now you want to book your profit. So how you can basically do that? So in order to book your profit, you have two options. In the first option, you can sell your Ton coin right on the Tonkeeper Wallet. For that, tap on the buy and sell option on the home page and then select sell in the top. Here you will be able to see the sell Ton option. So you need to select any of the merchant providers over here. So as the Mercurio is available, so I'm going to tap on Mercurio, and now you will be redirected on the official website of Mercurio, where you just have to enter the amount of Ton coin that you want to sell, and then it will show you the equivalent amount that you are going to get in the form of USDT. Here you need to tap on the sell button, then set up your account on the this third party provider, and then you just have to successfully sell your Ton on Tonkeeper Wallet. So this was the first method of booking your profit. Now in the second method, what you can do is you can simply get your Ton coins converted into USDT, and then you can transfer that USDT in any other exchanges like Binance, and from there you can purchase any other cryptocurrencies. So in order to do it, you need to tap on the send button on the home page, and here you need to provide the recipient's address. After that, you need to press continue in the bottom. On the next page, you need to enter the amount of Ton coin or the USDT that you want to transfer, and then you just have to successfully transfer it to your favorite exchange. From there, you can either get that USDT into your bank account, and this will also work as booking your profit, or if you want to try some other coins, then you can even make your entries into another coins. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.